A little bit. Like a lot of work. Yes, take it off.
She was like, your videos are so good. 10 million. But if she, like, I was in the shop, she was like, she said she's a good person. So it will just stay there for days. It's plenty. That's the magic. I don't know. I have my own group too. I think we should
Review.
Yes. What is short?
Yes.
When do the countdown and the review?
Yeah, exactly.
I cannot wait. Because I didn't do much. I didn't do video of the frying of the small chores.
Yeah.
And this thing I asked. So that's the only one I did a lot. I have like 2 minutes. So everybody was asking. Yes, I did.
Yes.
What are you doing?
What do you want me to do?
The whole place now. No, you
It's
just.
just to get to clean here first. Then we still have this one to take this one down. Baby, are you going to sweep? Are you going to bend down and sweep it? Sweep this thing.
It's
your
hard
tummy.
though.
Should I leave it for you?
Wait on. The second must come.
What is happening here again?
I don't know. Oh my, she's so excited.
I've not finished my excitement. Which kind of camera woman you be?
Wait now, your husband is sweet.
Come and show me.
I'm trying to give him space.
These girls you will want. Like, I know I said a boy.
I think deep down you knew it was going to be a girl.
No, never thought it was going to be a girl. I just had to like follow how I was feeling and my feeling and the symptoms and everything.
Eh? This girl.
Baby, what are you doing now?
I just did it like this. You know, the excitement is.
Baby, please. Don't give me extra work.
Extra work.
And I know that the excitement is still there.
Mm-hmm.
Still ongoing.
It was so
Please, out.
Don't stress daddy.
Huh?
Oh my days, baby, thank you so much for cleaning.
You're welcome, my love.
It's done awesome. We didn't use vacuum because once you put this thing inside, vacuum will just block it. So there's
It
no
will
point.
block it.
Maybe you should have used the long one now instead of bending.
Baby,
Jim, what is it?
I'm okay with this one. I'm not complaining.
What do you want? It's black. What do you need it for?
He's a girl.
It's a yeah.
Chemaka, out. Move. Chemaka, move. Aya, go. Chemaka, come. I don't want you to cry now. Thank you, Bridget.
No problem, sir.
So, still everywhere.
It will not end.
It's not, and I will come here and at least.
That place is.
Where are the girls? Are they upstairs now? The big girls. They've left Chemaka again.
I tell you.
Chemaka, we are outnumbered, you know that. So we have to be united. Chemaka, we are outnumbered. It's just two of us here.
Let me see how fast I am. I'm super fast.
Look at the two of you.
Can you
Where are
close
they?
the door,
Inside
Mama?
What are you doing there?
They are watching tab.
Inside the bathroom or toilet.
I tell you. Hey, you reach here.
The kids.
Just leave this one for tomorrow.
Let me just quickly, because my wife is busy doing that one now, so.
Oh my god, this was. I wish you can do the short clip like that.
Who don't have joy?
What they are saying. Out. No, it's dirty. It's dirty. Yeah. Chemaka, please. Chemaka, come. Huh?
You don't have to.
Go, Chemaka, go, please, go and watch.
But if you can't do it, then just leave it now.
We've done like a lot of fun waiting.
Chemaka, where are you taking? Chemaka, come back.
I think you just like.
Eh.
Sorry.